folks. Good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Thursday, October 26th.
Yes.
So we welcome our friends on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. Great to have you. Time to get up. If you're not up already, you should be getting ready to go to school, to go to work. Most importantly, you should be getting ready to watch us. No.
Shouldn't have watched us already.
Delia is in the newspaper.
I am.
Eating as usual.
Yeah,
so
no.
she was in the newspaper before eating.
Last week, Thursday.
Eating cake. And today she's in the newspaper.
I'm in the
eating
newspaper
pudding.
today. I eat pudding.
Never seen none, so.
It's like me, I'm the dessert girl. Last week I was eating chocolate cake. This week me I ate bread. Yeah. When the bread pudding reach. Yeah.
Wait, no, but
so where are you, Never?
Them going on like is she one met the newspaper.
Could never be. It's used to great
I and I is also in the newspaper. Bell. See me there.
Did you play Excelsior? Are you going to play Excelsior?
No, I'm not. Not this year.
Oh.
Played them last year. Well, that's me right there.
About Excelsior.
So me and my bona fide sister, we're in the newspaper.
Yes. It's Randy Williams' birthday.
Why I look so?
Oh, in the newspaper?
Why I look so in the newspaper?
Oh, I'm look.
Oh, me look. I look frightened. Me because I'm frightened. Why? You want me to tell them to change the picture?
I'm not gonna get involved.
Right. Change the picture.
Borrow your pen. I'm not gonna get involved in this.
So how are you?
I'm good. I was saying
you were saying
today marks the 105th anniversary of the birth of Randy Williams.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
It's his birthday today, so Mas Ran.
Happy birthday, man.
Yeah,
but when I reach birthday yet?
No, but because of Mas Ran. And he's important.
How good was he?
Mas Ran? Oh, Mas Ran was excellent. Did a lot of work on radio. Teamed up a lot with Miss Lou. But he also did a whole heap of pantomime. My Alma Makian used to do radio together. A whole heap of work in Miss Lou, man. Big man. Randy Williams Entertainment Center is named in his honor.
All right. Well, let me tell you what's happening on the show this morning. On today's show, it's a staple on the yearly calendar that your taste buds can't wait for. We look ahead to Restaurant Week 2017. The reason she's in the newspaper because she's an ambassador for Restaurant Week, which means when you hurry up and go to the restaurant, and because she's going to eat off all the food before when you reach.
Yes,
it's a very simple thing.
Them say we want some people when know about food in our ear. Yeah, so them draw for me, no man. Yeah.
Hey.
So yeah. Plus, whatever, guys. Plus, wouldn't you like to make something sweet to eat without having to bake it? We try out a no-bake dessert with Wren's Bakes and Bites.
But after all that food, what if you're allergic? Well, 10 Minutes to Your Health looks at food allergies.
Locks. October is the month we celebrate heroes, and we're helping Lasco to salute their corporate hero. He's a national hero to me, a hero to many other Jamaicans, the Honorable Lascelles Chin OJ CDLLD.
He's a brilliant man, and he's done wonderful work for all of us. Then we have an agree or disagree session on relationship cliches and mantras.
Me know me never going to disagree.
Oh, you know we're going to disagree.
Me know we're going to disagree.
Me agree.
You couldn't disagree?
I agree.
Mr. Me and you going to disagree. You couldn't say I disagree.
I disagree that we are going to disagree. Because I feel we're going to agree. So I disagree.
No, I don't agree.
What you don't agree?
I don't agree that you're saying you disagree, that we're going to disagree.
I agree with that. I'm confused. I don't even know what I'm saying.
All right, Drama Fest is bringing wholesome entertainment to you, and it also supports a worthy cause. So stick and stay to find out more.
Plus, Yvette brings the music vibes to our studio.
And we'll throw in a couple of videos that should spark some discussion with you Smile Jammers. But before all of that good stuff, we're going to kick things off with Hot Topics. Well.
This is not good news. That Bob Marley's star on Hollywood Walk of Fame in Los Angeles has been vandalized. The discovery was made on Monday, but they started to repair it already. It says the cops are investigating this one. Every once in a while we have incidents like this, but we have no idea why anyone could have vandalized this star. I produced the ceremony when the star was unveiled, and that is why I was so ticked off when it happened. So said Anna Martinez, Vice President for the Walk of Fame at the Hollywood Chamber of Commerce. As it happened, our guys went in to start repairs. So according to U.S. media reports, the star appears to have been damaged with a sledgehammer or something heavy, which resulted in huge dugouts in the terrazzo and brass monument located at 7080 Hollywood Boulevard in Hollywood. It will be repaired by the Hollywood Historic Trust and will cost nearly $3,000 US to repair it. All right, he was posthumously awarded the star in February of 2001. And the Walk of Fame, by the way, comprises more than 2,600 stars embedded in the sidewalks along 15 blocks of Hollywood Boulevard and 3 blocks of Vine Street in California.
No, this is crazy.
The next one, yeah?
This is crazy. But anyway, them a got tired, fizzy bob face. Oh yeah, cause star fix and go back so a bay. Whoever vandalize it can't stop the gang.
All right.
Yeah.
We move on, folks.
Yes.
A massage therapist said she cried uncontrollably after West Indies cricketer Chris Gayle allegedly exposed himself to her. She told a Sydney court yesterday that it left her very upset. On the opening day of his defamation action, he denied the allegations and claimed the media group was out to destroy him. He's suing Fairfax media newspapers, the Sydney Morning Herald, The Age, and the Canberra Times after a series of stories in January last year detailed the lurid accusations. His teammate, Dwayne Smith, who was present at the time, also denied the incident. The newspaper said the all-rounder exposed himself to masseuse Leanne Russell, who was working for the West Indies team in a dressing room at the 2015 World Cup in Sydney. Apparently she came in and she said,
He said, what are you looking for?
Christopher said, what are you looking for? And she said, a towel. And he pulled his towel out and down, she said.
So she saw the top half of his genitals.
Wow.
And she thereafter shielded her view, said no and walked out. But she said she was very upset, cried uncontrollably. I mean, you know.
It's in the court, so let's hear. Let's hear what happens.
That's it. But it's you know, I just have to say nowadays people have to be a little bit more sensitive because sometimes you don't mean to offend, and what may not offend one person may offend another person.
Yep.
So just be careful, and let's see how it works. Amazon also has a new service which allows drivers to go inside your home to deliver packages. They say a lot of their customers would love to have the packages delivered even when they're not there. So he says the new service comes as a response to what the customers have asked for. Amazon Key works by alerting the customer on their phone when a driver arrives at their home, scans their delivered package. Once the driver scans the package, a signal is sent to the Amazon cloud that verifies the driver, and then the cloud unlocks a smart lock on the customer's front door. A camera inside the home rolls so they can watch the delivery happening, and it will come at no additional cost. I see. Me no know about that one there. Me no know about that one there. Yeah.
I guess if you're not at home, anything could happen, camera or no camera.
And more and more when they talk about technology, the more and more they talk about technology being breached. And the cloud is just that, all over the place. And I don't know if I would want my access to my house to be in the cloud. Next thing, me I watch a camera and tell me say never come and gone. And me reach home, me say, oh my wale and Ian, stretch out and run up my light bill and eat out the things them out of my fridge. So, no be do for me. No be do for me.
What are the words? I found my
thrill
on Blueberry Hill.
Yes.
Fats Domino is gone. 89 years old, big song. Here he is, Fats Domino. He was 5'5", weighed more than 200 pounds. For a couple of birthday greetings, this is a special one. Happy birthday to Diane Dunstan. Your friend Novlin wishes you all the very, very best. She says it's a special one. I'm not going to say old because you don't look that to be. Well, actually, all right, she's 25. Never want to tell anybody, but she's 25. So, Diane, have a brilliant day today and many, many, many happy returns. Happy birthday greetings to Zadie Ann Cunningham. Zadie, it's coming from Norman Cole Jr. Here's Zadie right there. See if we could get that. Zadie Ann Cunningham, happy birthday. Hello? Who there? Zadie, over that for me before I reach. There's Zadie Ann Cunningham. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Nadine Henry. Nadine from the Jamaica National in Portland. It's coming from your Auntie Laurel. Nadine, I think I have a picture here for you if I can find it. Yeah? There it is right there. There's Nadine. Nadine from Jamaica National in Portland, coming from your Auntie Laurel. Nadine. There you go. And happy birthday also. Well, not birthday, but I want to say good morning to Majay Dawkins. She goes to Gentles Kinder Campus in Rosemount in Linstead. She watches the program all the time. Your grandfather sent me a picture, and as soon as Daily is finished, I'll show that picture. But I hope you're getting ready to go to school now, and I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day today. So,
all right.
Look, I'll just show her quickly, and then I'll move to Daily. There she is right there. That's Majay, and Majay watches us all the time. So Majay, say hi to your schoolmates and your teacher this morning for us.
It's Ken Freckleton's birthday. That's the picture I showed you, Prince. She is, you didn't? Oh, please, sorry. 3 years old, Ken Freckleton from her mommy, Tony Shea, her daddy, and her grandma. I also want to say happy birthday to Craig Bernard, Bancroft Gordon, Ken Williams, Damian Crawford. Good morning, sir. Happy birthday.
Damian's birthday?
And to my good friend, Bobby Chen. Happy birthday, sir.
Easy, Damian.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.